A big thank you to OmniSend for sponsoring today's video. OmniSend is a great email and SMS marketing platform for e-commerce brands. To see why it's trusted by 125,000 businesses, visit omnisend.com today. In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you a really easy way you can create WordPress landing pages that convert like crazy. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a link where you can download the blueprint completely for free to add to your own sites. But first, this is what we're going to build. This is the landing page I've built, and it's actually built using the StoryBrand methodology. So each of these sections serves a specific purpose, and the idea is you create landing pages that really convert because you're telling a story as somebody scrolls down the page. And this is what I'm going to show you how to build and add to your own sites. So this is the page that I've designed, and it's based on the StoryBrand methodology, which is a great methodology in terms of creating landing pages. And you can see over on the left, these are all the sections of the methodology. And I've loosely based it on StoryBrand. And as I scroll down, you can see it's just made out of core WordPress blocks. So you can change everything on here essentially, but all the sections you can see over on the left here, all the main sections that you need for a good landing page I've included. And don't forget, I'll give you a link at the end of this video where you can download the entire blueprint and use it on your own sites. Right, back to the demo. And of course you can change everything. And this is it. Now, the thing is, when I actually go and view this on the site, you will see that it's not a proper landing page because we've still got the header and we've still got the page title and we've still got all the footer stuff. And for a landing page to be really effective, we kind of just want to show that. So when you're sending out an email campaign, they just kind of come straight here. This is what I'm going to show you how to do now. So it's pretty straightforward. You just go to your dashboard, go to editor. Once you're in the editor, you need to go to templates. Ignore all of these. We're actually going to create a brand new template. You can see at the top here. Click on add template, and we're going to create a custom template, and we're going to call this landing page like so, and just click create, and ignore this again. Just close that down. Now essentially we've just got a blank canvas at the moment, and all we're going to pop into here is the content block, and that means it's actually just going to use the content of my page when I actually display this using this template. So it's not going to bring in the header or the page title or the footer because I haven't added those blocks into the template. This will make more sense once I actually use it. So let's go back to the site here, and we'll go back to my page. Here's my landing page, and I'll click on edit here. Now at the moment, this page, if we come across to the right, is actually using the pages template. We can see that if we actually turn that on. So if I click on this and go show template, can you see this is the actual template? This is cool that this page is actually using. It shows the header, it shows the featured image, it shows page title, and it also shows the footer. But we're actually going to switch the template here. We're going to change the template and we're going to use our landing page one. And now you'll see, because we're using the landing page one, we don't have a header, we don't have a page title, and we don't have a footer. So now when we save this and go and view this page, you see how this page is now using the landing page template. And it's just a beautiful landing page now. It doesn't have any of the header, any of the footer, any of the page title. So when you're sending out an email campaign, this is what your users will see. And to build out this page was really simple. I just used the 2025 themes inbuilt block patterns, which are pre-designed layouts. Click on the plus sign here. You'll see patterns at the top. Click on that. These are all the patterns that come with 2025 theme. And if I click on call to action, you'll see a whole bunch of patterns. And to get these on your sites, you really just click on them. That's all you have to do. And you see how quickly you can build out these pages. It's incredibly quick and fast. It's just using core WordPress blocks. Let's add a contact one quickly at the bottom. There we go. And if I click on the list view now, you will see that my page is just constructed of lots and lots of blocks. So that's how I built the page. And then I just came in here and I renamed them to give them a bit more sense. To get hold of this blueprint and use it on your own sites, go to poodleplayground.com, which is my free blueprint generator. And then go to gallery at the top here. Then click on community, and you'll find the StoryBrand landing page here. Click on the little launch icon there. That's going to launch it into WordPress Playground. And from here, we can go edit page up here. And we're going to come to the top right and just click the three little dots and come all the way down here and go copy all blocks. Then just go back to your page where you want to pop it, put your cursor in and just hit Control V, and there we go. It's as simple as that. You've got the whole page now on your own site. If I click on the list view, you can see all the sections are here. And now you can just go in here and obviously add your own photos. You can change the text, you can replace images, anything you like, but the basic blueprint is all ready for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helps you build landing pages for your own sites. If you did find it useful, if you can hit the like button down below, it'd be amazing, because it does make a big difference in terms of how many people get to see this video. It really does. So thank you if you can hit that like button. And also, every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I release a new one. Thanks again for watching. Keep well, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.